Today I am showing Ragda Pattice. To begin, I shall first make Ragda. Adding little oil, I'll add onion paste. Onion paste is nothing but crushed onions without adding water. It is done. You have to add the tomato puree. While this is cooking, I would make some paste out of coriander, mint, ginger and garlic. Some green chilies. I'll make this into a fine paste. To make the tikkis, for the mashed aloo, I will tear in few bread so that it absorbs the water in the potato. To this, I'm adding chaat powder, some chilli powder and some salt to taste. I shall mix this and make it into a smoother dough. Now this dough I'm making it into tikkis. Now the water is evaporated completely from the tomatoes. I would add the boiled peas. For this, the freshly ground mint and coriander chutney what I made, I'm using that. To this, I will add the cumin powder, some garam masala, some tamarind extract, chilli powder according to your taste and some salt to taste. Now this is boiling well. I will switch it off and do my patties ready. I will add some oil to the pan and place the tikkis to roast. Some more oil on the top. Now this is well roasted and firm. Over the tikkis, put the gravy, meeta chutney, some jeera powder, some chilli powder, little bit of salt, some finely chopped onions and fine save and little bit of finely chopped coriander. Our yummy Ragda Pattice is ready to eat. For more recipes, like and subscribe SPL Foods.